Hi, welcome back to one of my videos. Today I have this MuMu and I'm going to be turning it into a fashionable long sleeve blouse. First thing I'm going to do is seam rip around the sleeves so that I'll be able to attach my long sleeves. And then I cut the bottom of the skirt off and I ironed it, and it actually turned out to be quite a lot of material once it was flat. I use this material for my new pieces, my sleeves, and the bottom of the shirt. Made the flare of the top by cutting out 4 of these curved pieces and then sewing them into a band. I attached the bottom of the shirt to the top of the shirt by using the right sides together method. I added 2 pieces to sew onto the very top, and this will lengthen it so it sits where I want it to. I drew my new neckline and cut it out. We now need to make the armholes smaller since we made them bigger by adding pieces on the top, and at the same time I took it in a little bit. Attach the sleeve by sewing right sides together to the armhole. After attaching the sleeve, sew down it so it's closed. Then we're going to finish the neckline by attaching bias tape. To attach bias tape, you sew in the groove on the wrong side of the bias tape on the right side of the fabric. Then you flip it inside out and iron it, and you sew the right side of the bias tape on the wrong side of the fabric. So this part is inside of your garment. It worked really good, especially because we didn't have a lot of material to work with and do that double hem. And we just used a regular hem on the bottom of the edge. I wanted to tone down the white in the design, and I did this by dyeing it very light blue. And we're all finished. Here's the final transformation. Thanks for watching my videos. Leave me a comment and subscribe if you haven't already.